So I am super excited right now because I'm on my way to pick up a DJI Osmo Pocket. I can't believe it. Now, I've been thinking about getting the Osmo Pocket for some time now, and I've sort of been a little bit hesitant about getting it because I've only recently started doing videography and also started this YouTube channel as well. One of my main aims is to shoot everything that I can just using iPhone and mobile technology. And to be honest with you, it's using mobile technology is amazing, it's brilliant, but there are certain drawbacks and limitations that you do get shooting with a smartphone that you wouldn't get necessarily with a DSLR or some of the other amazing, more expensive professional cameras out there. So that's why I thought that the DJI Osmo Pocket might be a good shout, just to sort of capture some B-roll, some other extra footage as well, and just to sort of give my footage a little bit more of a professional look. Now, obviously, we all know that any movie, anything that anyone produces is only as good as the creativity that has gone into it. Your tools, your camera can only do so much. I will do a review on it, and obviously this review is going to be from a novice perspective, somebody like myself who kind of like knows nothing about all of this stuff. So I will definitely give you my thoughts on that. But what I'm going to do first of all is just do a quick unboxing, play around with it, experiment with it as well, use it for a couple of weeks, and then I'll probably do a quick review video on that. Let's do it. Okay, so I've just picked it up now. It's right here, okay? And let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's all about. So here we are, guys. Finally, I have got my DJI Osmo Pocket. Now, I cannot wait to actually dive in and test it out and start using it as well. But what we're going to do is, I'll do a quick unboxing right now, but I'll do a proper review from the eyes of a novice, me, a little bit later on after a couple of weeks of me using it. So let's dive down and have a look. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, clearly that didn't open up as I thought it would. Let's open it up. Here we go, the moment of truth now. Let's see what's inside. Right, so the first thing we get is a couple of manuals there, which I'll go through a bit later on. I'm guessing this is the USB cable. Yep, that's a USB-C charger. We have the adapter, USB-C adapter here, and the lightning cable adapter there. And now, the moment of truth with this bad boy. Let's see what happens. Oh, here we go. It's a really nice case, this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm guessing we've got to take this out, take this off, take this off as well. Here it is. Let's power it on. Ooh, you want English. There we go. I'm guessing that one? English. Nice. Don't know if you can actually see that, but that is crisp. That really is crisp. Brilliant. Now, along with this, I've also bought the expansion kit as well, just so you know, we can get a bit of extra control. Let's see what's inside here. We should use a knife, but I'm too excited. Ooh, did you look at all of this? Okay, so that's the control. Holder. And a base as well. Let's see what else is inside the box. And we get a 32 gig memory card and some manuals. So guys, there you have it, the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket. Now, I will try and do a full review a bit later on, and please feel free to give me your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'm gonna go and have some fun with this now. See you later.